I'm your host, Sean McKenzie. Thank you for joining once again on my channel on data engineering and data analytics. In this episode, we're going to return to our Python on Snowflake playlist, and we're going to connect to our Snowflake database in our warehouse, and we're going to extract some data, we're going to run a query and pull that data into a Pandas Dataframe. So without further ado, let's get to our Pandas Dataframe extraction. Okay, so just to get started here, I'm going to make a new file and say thanks to our user who recently requested this topic on how to get data into a data frame from Snowflake. So what we're going to do first is we're going to use our Snowflake connector, and so we'll import snowflake-connector, and then we want to use pandas as well, so we'll use pandas as PD. And then we'll give some feedback to the user here, say print opening, and then we can make our Snowflake connection, which will be very quick here. So we'll say snowflake.connector.connection, and then I actually have this saved in another file here, so I'll just paste that in. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that your connection has all the right parameters in it. So it's going to have your username and password and your account for Snowflake, as well as the warehouse database and schema, so that you don't have to do a cursor operation to say, use warehouse kind of thing, or use database. Your connection will take you directly to where you want to do your query. So what we're going to do is we'll create our SQL string with our query in it, and so we'll say SQL is equal to select star from project tasks, and that's a table that we created in some previous videos, so make sure you go back and check those ones out about how to create the database and warehouse and put data into your database. And then we'll do a cursor.execute SQL, and then we'll do our data frame fetch here. So we'll go data frame equals cursor.fetch pandas all, and that's going to take all that data coming back from the Snowflake database, and it's going to put it into our data frame. And then from there, we want to make sure we close our cursor, and we'll close the connection. And in order to do that, we'll do cnn.close, and make sure you close all those connections before you do any operations on your data frame. And also you could put the execution part of it into a try-catch block if you think that there's going to be some errors. So what we'll do is we'll print the df.head, so the head 10 rows of our data frame, we'll print that off, and to do that we'll hit F5 and see what we get here. And there we go, it's starting, and it's opening up the database, and boom, there we go. There's our top 10 rows of our data frame, and we can use those for various purposes, just like any other data frame moving forward. So we can change it, our SQL string, to use to use where clauses and all kinds of things like that. And so we could say where task type is equal to action, and that'll give us all the actions in our table. And again, we can hit F5 and see what we get as a result here. So there we go, it's opening up, and there's our action results from our table in Snowflake. And that is how you extract Snowflake data into a Pandas data frame. I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to connect to Snowflake and get your data into your Pandas data frame. If you like what you saw today, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, click the bell when you see the bell, and put some comments in the comment section below. Have a great day, have a safe day, and I'll catch you next time.